My name is Edgaras. As you remember from yesterday, I am the advocate for general blah 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 method, and that's not about it. It starts with general blah blah blah, but when it's developed further. So those of you who were sleeping yesterday after the flights, I will just make a quick reminder what this civisty method is all about. It's a bottom-up approach. It starts with citizens' visions. At the project Civisty, it was 69 visions developed by panels, by 7 panels, in which they had 25 groups in different countries. And those citizen panel just developed the positive future images, how they want to see the world. And then experts came, and that's where general blah 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 methods ends, and experts' opinion are presented, and 18 experts for 3 days put 100 recommendations how those visions can be implemented. But 100 recommendations is too much for anybody, and that's why we had afterwards to have open space debates and to lower those recommendations till 30. And then citizens validation process comes in when they present opinions about those recommendations. So in general, very nice method. And where it can be applied, we identified several areas. One is long-term planning, which is also very near the developing path for the future. We talked about several applications areas. In one area it was applied already in the project, is research policy. It was for Europe 2020, yes, for Horizon 2020. And some other areas where it can be applied is like healthy aging, technology coupled with social development and so on. But usually all those areas are not about particular problem solving. It's rather about emerging fields and long-term planning. So open questions on society development, on long-term visions is where this method can be applied. So impacts, usual impacts of, I would say, of most of TA methods, but one is more appropriate, like input for road mapping, probably for political decisions and for long-term planning. And another, I would say, nice is endorsing basic research, because there is a push from industry to have only applied research, and that method can just give endorsement why the basic research for the society is needed. But there are some limits of this method. One of the biggest limits is that groups are small, so it's difficult to have a diversity of people, citizens' opinions in 25-person group. Then it's easy for politicians to reject those opinions, because they say, oh, it's only the opinion of 25, not of 1,000 or 1 million or whatever. Then there is some influence of the experts. On one hand, people cannot express their own opinions in some cases. They just want to listen what experts think and try to understand which is better for the citizens. On another hand, if you make the experts panel from very strong influences who have a strong opinion, what usually experts have, it might influence the process. Because what experts have to do, they have to convert citizens' visions into concrete actions, and if they have strong opinions, they can interpret that in that way. That's it.